After being parked for almost 3 years, about to see if it'll fire up in the process of putting it back on the road. It's been sitting up. Got a dead spider. A dead spider and the spider webs everywhere. See if it'll start. Battery charging. Alright. Let me give it some gas. Pack the gas a little bit. If that don't work, I'm gonna pour some gas in the tank and see if that'll fire it up. Battery sounds okay. Got some petrol. See if this petrol works. See what we got going on under here. Put the gas up here. Alright, let's gas on that. Alright, let me give the gas a couple pats. I'm gonna turn the key a couple times to prime it up and see if we can get it to start. We have now. Alright, let me pull this cover off and see what can I pour.